hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Very well. Sorry, you are Laura.
Yes. Sorry, I should have made that clear.
She was very chatty. She came in, she had a big smile on her face. I mean, what more could you want?
Right.
Should we get some drinks?
Yeah, that's
Glass of white?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Two glasses of white.
that'd be great. Excuse me.
What can I get for you?
Oh, I haven't seen you here before. I've been here quite a few times.
Oh, I'm quite new.
Okay.
Can I get you anything?
Sorry, yeah, 2 glasses of wine.
2 glasses of white wine. Absolute. Coming up.
Oh, thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Oh, no, it's my pleasure.
Thank you very much. I wouldn't say it was a good date. Well, she seemed a little bit more interested in the waiter than she did in me.
Anyway, so what do you do for a living?
I work in advertising.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
Here you are. 2 glasses of white wine.
Oh, thank you. That was so prompt. You're obviously very good at your job. How long have you been doing it for?
Advertising?
Sorry, I was talking...
Oh, sorry, you were talking to the waiter.
Sorry.
If anything, it got worse. She kept finding excuses to call him over. She wouldn't stop looking at him. I felt like I wasn't there.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, you've dropped your fork.
Oh, God, I have.
Let me get that. Let me get
No,
that.
do you know... No, don't put yourself out. Do you know what? I'll ask the waiter to get it. He seemed so friendly, I'm sure.
Oh, he looks busy.
Let's just find out. Excuse me?
Sorry?
Sorry, I'm so sorry to trouble you. Would you mind? I've dropped my fork.
There you go. Actually, let me get you another one. This one's dirty.
Thank you. That is so sweet of you, because I'm sorry I've taken you away from another table and you've come all the way here and picked up my fork.
That's not a problem. I'll be back in 2 seconds.
Thank you. That was nice, wasn't it?
Picking up your fork.
And getting me a new one.
That's true, yeah. You did call him over. Sorry,
He came
Is there
very
someone you know?
quickly, didn't he? Sorry?
you just keep you keep looking over there.
Oh, I just thought I saw someone I know.
The waiter.
Do you know what? Now you say it, it's just the waiter, but I thought he was someone else I know, but he must just have one of those faces. One of those very attractive faces.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I totally forgot.
What?
I've got to meet a friend.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to run off.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
No.
Sorry, I've double booked you. I'm really sorry.
Well, I've still got all my food, so I might stay.
Okay. I don't think so. No, if I'm honest, she's not for me.